In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle customer overpayments in QuickBooks Online. Overpayments happen more often than you might think. A customer might accidentally pay the wrong amount, include multiple invoices in one payment, or simply round up. The important thing is to record it properly so your books stay accurate and the extra money is easy to apply later. I'll walk you through a simple way to do that using the Receive Payment feature in QuickBooks Online. First, from your QuickBooks dashboard, go to the Plus New, or sometimes labeled Plus Create, menu at the top of the screen. From that menu, choose Receive Payment. This is the tool you'll use anytime you're recording money that a customer has paid toward an invoice. Next, you'll see a form where you can select a customer. Open the Customer dropdown and choose the customer who sent the payment. Once you've selected the customer, QuickBooks will display a list of their open invoices. Find the specific invoice that was overpaid and make sure it's checked. This tells QuickBooks which invoice the payment is meant to be applied to. Now, in the Payment Amount field, enter the full amount you actually received from the customer, not just the amount of the invoice. So if the invoice was, for example, $100 and the customer paid $120, you'll type in $120. QuickBooks will automatically recognize that the payment is more than the invoice balance. It will apply what's needed to fully pay the invoice and then calculate the extra as a credit on that customer's account. You don't have to create the credit manually. QuickBooks does that part for you. Before saving, take a quick look at the bottom or side of the form. You should see that the invoice is marked as fully paid, and there will be a remaining amount showing as unapplied or as a credit. This is just a confirmation that the overpayment has been captured correctly. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. That's all you need to do for now. The overpayment is stored as a customer credit, and it will be available to apply the next time you create or receive payment against a new invoice for that same customer. Later on, when you open a new invoice and record another payment, you'll see that credit ready to use so nothing gets lost or forgotten. By following these steps, you keep your records clean, your customer balance is accurate, and you make it easy to apply that extra money whenever it's needed.